Hello students and welcome to the video lecture series from Architects Academy. Today we are going to learn about the structure of timber. This figure shows a cross section of a log of a tree. You will see that in this particular cross section we are going to see the different types of terminologies which are going to be used to describe the structure of timber. The outermost dark colored layer which you can see is the bark of the tree. So this is called as the bark. Immediately after the bark there is a soft tissue which is called as the cambium. After the cambium you will see that there are many number of rings which you can see, and these rings are called as the annual rings. As the tree grows outward, every year the tree develops a ring around a previous ring. Therefore, it is called as an annual ring. Many times, by just counting the number of annual rings, you can understand the age of the tree. From the center of the tree, radiating outwards, you will see these sort of sections of tissue. These are called as the medullary race. After that, you will see that from the bark up to a certain distance from the bark, you will see that the wood which is slightly softer is called as the sapwood, and it contains a lot of sap. From the sapwood to the center of the tree trunk, you will see that the wood is much more harder and it is called as the heartwood. In the exact center of the tree, you will see that the portion is called as pith. So let us try and see the different terms again and their definitions in the next slide. So like we discussed earlier, pith is the central part of the tree, is the central core of fibrous tissue. The heartwood or the duramen is the inner part of the timber log with concentric rings. So this is the pith, and the portion from this point to this point, this complete darker portion which you see here, is called as the heartwood or duramen. Next is the sapwood, the outer part of the timber log with concentric rings. So what we saw is that from the heartwood towards the bark, the portion which is shown in slightly lighter shade is the sapwood. Medullary rays, these are radial narrow bands of tissue which radiate from the central part of the tree, and they act as reservoirs of food for the tree. So as you can see here, these are the medullary rays, the rays which are radiating out from the central part of the tree, and they hold the food produced by the tree. The last part is the bark, which is the outermost thick skin of the tree log. In the heartwood and sapwood, there are concentric rings of tissue called as annular rings. One ring is formed approximately every year. So like we had discussed earlier, we can roughly find out the age of the tree by measuring the number of annular rings that are there in the cross section. For further reading and references, you can refer to Building Construction Mackey Volume 1. This is the end of the lecture. Thank you. To subscribe to our entire video lecture series, you can drop a mail on architectsacademy@gmail.com or call us on 98200 85841 or 98220 88319. You can also visit our website at www.architectsacademy.org. You are also welcome to visit our academy at the address given below. Thank you.